Hi, welcome to the Love and Share channel. Today I'm going to share how to put a twin metal bed frame together. My grandkids are going to visit me this summer, and since I moved into my new apartment last year, the only furniture that I have so far is a futon and my bed. If you're like me and starting life over again, it would be great to purchase everything all at once and be done and move on. Sometimes there's not enough finances to do that, or maybe your circumstances won't let you right at that time and you have to wait. Whatever the case may be, with me it was financial. So I ended up deciding to just buy things that I could afford with cash and work with what I have and build it up a little bit at a time. I found these twin metal bed frames on Wayfair.com. They were not too expensive, and they also had a 4.6 out of 5-star reviews. When I'm searching on Wayfair, I set my filter for fast delivery. That way I can time the delivery to my days off. That way it won't sit outside my door unattended. If I'm not sure if it's going to come directly to my front door or on the day that I want it to, I'll call customer service for help. See the link in my bio for the exact bed frames and for the Wayfair link. Also, make sure to get bed frames that are 14 inches high from the floor. In case you like a bed skirt, a 14-inch drop on a bed skirt is a standard size. Anything higher than 15 inches is going to be a very expensive bed skirt. As I found out when I purchased my bed frame, it was 18 inches high. The frames come with an Allen wrench, instructions, and screw bolts with washers. It's better to have a second person help you, but I was able to put them together without a second person. It just took a little bit longer. After you get the bed frame sections correctly connected with the screws, then it's good to make sure that it's assembled correctly, and then just go around and tighten it as much as you can with your hands. Try not to use any power tools because you could ruin the frame. And just tighten all the screws as tight as you can by hand. The metal slats go in last. There are grooves in the side of the frame, the long side of the frame, and there's like these little grooves. The metal slats pop right into those. They fit right in there. Snap those in, and your frames are ready for mattresses. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe. See you on the next video.